popular Nirbhaya case, after Hathras in UP, Hyderabad, Disha in Hyderabad. So we are very much affected. We are very much. It's like बहुत पैनिक हो जाता उस सीन्स देखने के समय में. So after after 2-3 days, another will news will come. Then सब लोग ये पूरा भूल जाता. और उसका वो केस में विक्टिम्स का क्या हुआ है, क्या है, किसी को पता नहीं होता. वो जो हर घर में प्रॉब्लम जो है उन लोगों को भी पता हो जाएगा. सो बाद में सारा इश्यूज ऐसा ही होता. जो एक्सीडेंट, जो मर्डर, जो रेप, जो कुछ भी हुआ, चोरी है, ये कुछ भी होने दो, वो एक दिन में हाईलाइट हो जाता, बाद में दूसरा दिन में कुछ आता था, ये सब सारा भूल जाता. सो इसी समय में विमेन डायरीज, दिस इज द concept I wrote after this Disha encounter in Hyderabad. Actually, from that day, I thought these women diaries concept. So after that, I इसको कैसे करना है, क्या क्या सोचना है, बहुत सारा डायरेक्टर्स वही इंसिडेंट को फोकस किया और बहुत ही वेब फिल्म्स भी बनाया. Some known directors also targeting that Disha case also. So after Hathras incident in UP, it's a very shocking incident. So that's why after that I completely got an idea. So how to present women diaries? Okay. So I am a debut director. As a debut director, I need a some to present this film. I need a senior actors, known faces. Okay, so then I approached Mugdha Godse ma'am. After that, we approached Sudha Chandranji. So after, I sent my concept. Then they also accepted immediately. So without anything, so this kind of story is definitely I have to do. So that's why this project will come out now. Yeah, definitely. I have to face lot, but my focus is completely on this project now. So how to complete this first? This I took a challenge like this. So because anybody will see, can we do business or not? Can we release in theaters or not? This is not my primary issue. So because I just focus on my complete on this project. First, how to approach some these kind of Mugdha ji and Sudha Chandran ji and 2-3 known faces also will join in this project. The talks will going on. So definitely it will be. It's not like a business point of view, but it will be definitely will go to in public. Then after this, we'll see what happened. Yeah, it's not a message. No, so who I am to give a message? Because everybody know everything. Now in this generation, everybody have a lot of awareness, lot of connect with social media. Everything everybody knows. So who am I to give a message and all? I sincerely like मैं उनसे बहुत थक गया ये न्यूज़ सुन के इसको क्या है इसको पहले हमारा माइंडसेट चेंज होना. वी सी ए वुमेन, वी सी ए गर्ल, सो पहले ऑल मेंस माइंडसेट should change. Okay, so this is my point of view. So this is all men's point of view. Okay, how to treat a woman, how to treat a girl, how to treat as how we treat our mother, how we treat our sisters. how we treat our wife, how we treat our daughters. So this thing, same, everybody should treat other women, other girls also. This is what I want to say. This is my concept. This is my view. This is my vision. So that's why I wanted to tell all these men, all in this society, all male, all. It's not a gender point, but everybody mind because आपसे कुछ बिना मर्जी से आप जेब से 100 रुपीज निकाल सकता हूँ, नहीं निकाल सकता. सो ऐसा बिना मर्जी से किसी के ऊपर हाथ कैसे लगा सकते हैं, दैट टू वुमेन. So this is the point. So this is why I want to tell the society and all. This is my presentation. How will people react and all? This is after this we'll see. Uh, in these women diaries, the story opens with Sudha Chandranji. She's a lawyer who always fight with against these kind of rapes, victims and all. But everybody opposite to her in this society. Suppose we fight for a cause. Definitely, all people, some people against with us. So the lot of problems she faced, and but she collect all her energies and all. She fought for these all rape victims. So some incident covering on media and TV of some victim. So her assistants, her junior lawyers, uh, they do some discussions and all. Then she tell the what the what the point should learn about these kind of changes, mindsets. So then the story opens through her. These all story opens through her. So she has a file of her previous victims who raped, who in these all cases. She opens a file. Then the story will start a women's story. After that, Mugda's ma'am story. These two story includes two story revolves this concept. Yes, actually I am basically from Hyderabad. I am a Telugu person. So this is a national issue. It's not a national issue. It's a universal issue. You go anywhere, you go any country or any continental, see anywhere. It's not Telugu people, it's not Tamil people, it's not Hindi people, it's not Americans, it's not Pakistan, it's not like any other countries. So everywhere women affects with men, because every man thought like it's their own property. So रोड पे कोई गर्ल जा रहे हैं, आराम से देखते हैं हम. So we don't do like that. So हमारा जो you wish her, you praise her, you can do anything with her consent. If she's accept this, then there is no issue. Okay, so that's why I wanted to do this film at least national wide. So that's why I choose Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil. Maybe it will be, maybe we can, if there are any chances, we can dub other languages also. So India, we have to aware entire India, not like Telugu, not like Hindi, and after that entire world. Yeah, we also know that with some connections, but we are trying. If any support from government, it will be very good. Otherwise, if not, no issue. But I'll do on my way. I'll go on my way. But it should be come out. The shoot in It will take 1.5 month time for shoot, and after post production and all will complete in a month, and I'll mostly August it will be come out. Uh, as a father of two daughters and raised along with two sisters, I know the what women face when she going on the road. So that's why I felt very much. I look like how we know how to respect a woman as our family member. So that's why I more intense and more affected if I watch any this kind of news on TVs and all. So that's why. Uh, so I sincerely, I emotionally, uh, so connected and all. So that's why I need to come out this women diaries. Everybody knows the what the female pain. Yeah, thank you.